Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a golden text effect on your Canva mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To create the golden text effect on your Canva mobile, first for open your design, then go to the app section on the bottom. Just swipe and just select apps. Now here you just need to type as text maker. So just type as text maker and search here. So you can find a lot of application here. I'm just going to choose it's an add-on like a Chrome Store add-on, a Play Store like add-on in the Canva. So here you just need to select the first application. Just click on this and click on the open. That's it. So you have a lot of presets of text effect that you can just create the golden text effect. So now you can find all the preset of text effect here. So just simply swipe down. You can find a lot of text effect. Click on this golden text effect as I just talking about. So now I just going to type it as a gold. You can see the preview on the top, and here you can just change the font if you just need it like that. And here I just go with this font which actually look great. And also here you have the option to customize the color. So I just need the golden color, so I just click on the add design. Now you just need to choose the quality like a medium, so only medium is allowed, and click on the add design option. So now your design has been added. So by using this option you can just create your own text, and you can just make it as a golden text. By using this you can just easily add the design how many times you just need it. This is the way that you can just easily insert a golden design, or you can just create your own golden text effect on the Canva. Now you can only crop the design. If you just need to create it again, just go to the same option, just go to the apps. You can see it's actually added here, text maker. Just click on this and add your text, whatever the text you just needed. So this is how you just create this golden text effect on your Canva mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.